Welcome to an episode on how to make fictional maps in QGIS. Today we are going to learn on how to get your pre-made maps into QGIS. What is QGIS? And why should you use it? QGIS or QGIS is an open source geographical information system, or GIS in short. A GIS is a program that is used to store, analyze geographical data and is used for data management. This makes it ideal for making maps. It is extra useful because it's easy to visualize those maps and easy to do analysis of those maps with it. How do you get your map into QGIS? For this, I will use a map made with the Fantasy Map Generator as an example. I saved this file as a .png. It is important that you save it as a raster file and not as a vector file, so PNG and JPEG are fine, SVG or tiles are not. When you have QGIS opened, you will search for OpenStreetMap in the left column. Then double click on it and a world map should appear. If your map does not look like this, if it's more square or if it's curved, that means that your program is using a different coordinate reference system, or CRS in short. But in a later video I will explain more about this. For now, what you need to do is you will click where it says EPSG. When you click on it, this tab will be opened. And then you will search for the WGS84 with this authority ID number. You can find it by typing it into the filter. You will click on it and then do OK, and then your world map should look now like this. To get into the georeferencer, you will click on Layer and then Georeferencer. Once you're in it, you will click on these squares. And then you will select the image you want to import into QGIS. For a world map, you will click the corner of the image. It will give you this pop-up and then you click From Map Canvas. Then you click on the corresponding corner on the world map. And then you will click OK. You will do this for each corner of the image. Once this is done, you can still manually edit these edits if you want the map to be super precise. The source X and Y are the pixel values of the image, and the destination X and Y are the coordinate values of the world map. If this is all undone and you're happy with it, you will click on the green arrow or green triangle with Start Georeferencing on it. It will give you a pop-up and you just press OK. Transformation type should be set to linear, and target CRS should be the same one as before, the WGS84. Then you will click OK. Then you will press the green arrow again, and the map should now be in QGIS. So here is the map. Now you can trace the countries or make a database for each one of them. I hope everything was clear and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.